guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tanish, and today I will be making spinach dumpling. Yes, spinach cooked dumpling, and the main ingredient today is going to be spinach. Yes guys, in my plate will be all green. Yes, vegan style. So let me get all my ingredients and everything ready and show you what I am talking about, guys. Let's get into it. All right guys, welcome back, and now you see I have my ingredients: my spinach, my flour, and my cornmeal, and some salt. And I have a pot with some water and some salt in there, and you want the water come to a boil. In the meantime, you're going to go ahead and blend your spinach. Try not to use too much water, guys. Perfect. Somebody's happy, and that's what you want it to look like, guys. Little less watery. Anyway guys, I'm going to have my flour there and some cornmeal, my salt, and then you're going to mix that together. Once it's nice and mixed together, you're going to add your spinach. And you definitely need water to make dumpling, so this is perfect. All right, time to use my hand. Just keep mixing it, kneading it until you get that dough. Yes, you better have clean hands. Okay, you know this is, you're going to have to use your hands, guys. And just mix it until it comes into a dough. Just like that, guys. Nice and firm. And if you are mixing yours and it get a little bit soft, no worries. Just add a little bit more flour until it get hard. And that's it, guys. You see, it's nice and firm. And I'm going to let that sit for a minute while my water come to a boil. Let it sit. While it sits, it get a little bit hard. Water almost boil. Now it's time to make the dumpling, guys. And that's how you make the dumpling. It's not that hard. I'll show you guys again how I make it. You just take a little piece off, the amount that you want, how big you want your dumpling to be. And you round it up, make it into a ball. Then you press on it till it's nice and flat. Not too flat. You just want it well perfect, just like that. And then you add that to your water, and you keep doing that until you have no more flour, no more dough leaf. All right, all finished. And that's what it looked like. So I'm just going to let it cook for 10 minutes, and then you'll see, guys. Alright guys, cover it up, let it cook. After 10 minutes, I had pumpkin and chocho. And by the time the pumpkin and the chocho cook, the dumpling and everybody cook. And in the meantime, guys, please subscribe. Thank you. And there you have it, guys. After about, I don't even know how long, my dumpling is cooked. Once I see the pumpkin and the chocho cook, I know the dumpling cook. I will be having that with some delicious kalaloo, and I will be having a link in the description box below with the kalaloo recipe. Nice and easy, healthy and delicious. Don't forget, guys, to subscribe, like, comment, share, and enjoy this healthy, delicious meal. Who say you can't have dumpling? Dumpling on the healthier side. Enjoy, guys.